If you're looking for a factory that specializes exclusively in high-quality wheel spaces, look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS is the only factory in China with 3,000 square meter facility dedicated exclusively to producing wheel spaces. Our production line is optimized to manufacture wheel spaces with maximum efficiency. Unlike other factories, our entire team is focused solely on wheel spaces. No distraction, just precision. And BONOSS has over 17 years professional experience. With over 17 years of experience in manufacturing high-quality wheel spaces, BONOSS is your trusted partner for precision, reliability, and innovation. BONOSS offers a limited minimum order quantity to meet the needs of business of all sizes. Whether you are just starting out or scaling up, we can handle your orders, large or small. Since 2007, we have been continuously improving our designs, having eliminated over 5,000 out-of-date wheel space technical drawings. We offer professional suggestions and free design audits to help our customers avoid costly mistakes. Thanks to our vast experience, we are the only factory with over 100,000 measurements and tests conducted on our wheel spaces, ensuring that every product is of the highest quality. Our expertise is tend to designing customer wheel spaces for over 3,000 vehicle models, making us the most versatile factory in the industry. BONOSS has completed over 1,000 installation cases, and we are proud to share these success stories with our clients. We provide detailed installation guidance and can show you the process, so you can be confident in the asset and safety of using our product. When it comes to quality assurance, BONOSS leads the way. BONOSS has over 66 SGS and GV certification reports, ensuring that our product meets international safety and quality standards. This dedication to quality gives you peace of mind and helps you stay compliant with global regulations. BONOSS is the only factory that uses a hydraulic press to install bolts and nuts individually, ensuring every part is perfectly fitted. This eliminated the risk of improper pressure and guarantees the safety and reliability of your wheel spaces. BONOSS empowers you to have your own customer capabilities. We provide end-to-end customization and can directly ship to your final customers, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. We invite you to visit our factory and compare us to any other. Our dedication to quality, innovation, and customer certifications is unmatched. Choose BONOSS for your wheel spacer needs and experience the difference that true expertise makes.